Makeup tutorial video part 2. So, as you can tell, we already did all the what I'm calling lining. You did your base makeup, lining, you should have done your hair, you got everything ready. So now that you've done all of this fun stuff, what you're going to do is you're going to start the pattern. I'm going to take the green again, you're going to go from the corner where you ended. And it's going to go on your right eye, up, and around over your eyebrow. And from the corner again, it's going to go below the eye, just a bit. So that's the green on the right eye. And you're going to go do it on the left eye. So the left eye goes from the corner. It goes just up to about the eyebrow. And then it also goes from the corner here down and loop. So it makes kind of like a hook. Now, as you can see, this kind of makes a line, a straight line, and then it starts to hook. Because if that doesn't happen, what's going to happen is you're going to try to make a hook, like the loop, it's going to curve in here. This is going to end up straight, and then it's going to hook at the bottom again. And then you end up with a straight line right down your face, and it's not very appealing to look at from the front. So make sure that that makes a line when doing that. Okay, so then you're going to take the blue. You're probably going to need your brush for this. I use it to line the outside of this pattern, and I use my finger for the rest pretty much. So it's going to go on top of the purple and the blue. And it really goes up to the eyebrow. And it goes to the green. So those make a point here, which is really why I'm using the brush, to help make that point look like a point. And it's going to go follow the purple. If you do this entirely with your brush, then make sure that you go over it with your finger after, because what's going to happen if you don't is that you're going to end up with a bunch of really weird marks left from the brush. So I definitely recommend that. And try to do the blue and the purple. Too much. Really, the blue is just pretty easy to put on. That's that blue. Now don't wipe your finger off yet, because this is going on to both eyes. Well, I suppose you can, so that you don't like push on your face by accident and get it everywhere, but your hand is going to be a mess again. So, now we do it again. Okay. So we're going to take our finger, I read this recently. Okay. So, blue's done. Check. Wipe your brush off once again, and probably want to wipe off your finger, because you won't be using your finger again for makeup. Okay. So, close it up. You're done with that blue for now. So, now we're just quickly, I'm going to take the silver glitter that we didn't go buy, but I just happen to own, so that's good. If you do go buy some, that's even better. I'm just going to use mine for now. And what's going to happen with this is it's going to go from the corner here inside, and it's going to follow the green down to a point. And it's also going to go under the blue. Stop about halfway under your eye. So, you can't really see. There you go. That's the silver. Right there. And that's going to go on both sides of the eye. And just kind of bring it to a point on the left eye, because on the left eye the curve goes all the way down and it's not going to follow all the way down. So, and then, so I use my brush, I gotta wipe off my brush, and then that'll be all for the, I'm gonna call the pattern part, and next it'll be the detail part. So part 3 of this video, possibly part of part 4, or might be a part 4. Part 3 will definitely be the detailing part, which is basically a lot of dots that are going in places around your eye and a little bit of lining. So, we'll be doing that next.